Here's how you can withdraw crypto from the CoinDCX app. Step 1. Open your CoinDCX app and click on the Quick Action button on the home screen. You can also move to the Account section and click on Funds to withdraw crypto. Step 2. Now tap on the Withdraw button at the bottom of the page. Step 3. Once you head into the Withdraw section, select the token you wish to withdraw from your CoinDCX account. At this step, the withdrawal form will open up for you. Here, you need to add additional details pertaining to the account you are sending the crypto to, the network you will use for the transfer, and the receiver's wallet address. If you're withdrawing crypto to a new account that has not been verified on the CoinDCX app before, there are a few additional steps you will need to follow. If this new wallet belongs to you, then you might have to fill out certain extra details so that the wallet address can be verified and whitelisted. However, if you are withdrawing crypto from your CoinDCX account to send to someone else or to a third-party wallet, you will have to mention additional details about the receiver for verification and compliance purposes. Once you've completed the above necessary steps, which are relevant to you, your withdrawal request will now be reviewed for verification. This step might take a little time as we will need to perform certain compliance measures to ensure your safety. Now that once your verification is complete, your withdrawal process will then be completed and the cryptos will be transferred to your target account successfully. In the dynamic landscape of crypto transactions, ensuring security and compliance is paramount. CoinDCX ensures that you have an FIU compliant platform to deposit and withdraw crypto every time you need.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.